A lot of people think the Submariner is the ultimate Rolex dive watch, but not quite. The real heavyweights live deeper, literally. It's called the Sea-Dweller with reference 126600, and it's one of the most misunderstood pieces in Rolex professional lineup. A lot of collectors skip it because they assume it's just a bigger sub. And it does somewhat look like a sub, but that's actually a 5-figure mistake. So today, let's take a proper deep dive into the SD43, why it exists, and what makes it different, and whether it's a piece worth owning in your collection. Rolex built its reputation underwater. That's where the Crown became a legend. The Sea-Dweller was born from a partnership with saturation within the dive community in the late 1960s. These were professionals working at depths where your average Submariner would likely collapse under the pressure. So Rolex created a tool built for the kind of pressure that could crush metal and gave it a helium escape valve to survive decompression. Fast forward to 2017, and it's the 50th anniversary of the Sea-Dweller. That's when the SD43 reference 126600 arrived. For the first time, Rolex bumped the case up to 43 millimeter, added a Cyclops lens over the date, and introduced the caliber 3235 movement, which is a powerhouse with a 70-hour power reserve and Rolex chrono energy escapement for better efficiency. Now, if you hold it in your hand, you'll notice something subtle. It doesn't feel oversized. The case curvature, the lug proportions, and glide lock clasp balance the size perfectly, or so Rolex says. So who is this watch really for? If you're buying your first Rolex, this isn't a casual entry point. This is for the person who respects functionality wrapped in prestige. The collector who appreciates that Rolex built a watch capable of surviving 1,220 meters underwater, even if it's mostly seeing boardrooms and weekend drives. Value-wise, the SD43 has an interesting position. It doesn't chase hype like some Submariner references, but it holds firm because of the technical story and limited evolution. Collectors who understand the lineage from the original double red models to the modern ceramic era know its continuation of Rolex's professional DNA, not a marketing exercise like some other models. And that's what separates it from the usual suspects. You're not just wearing a luxury dive watch, you're wearing decades of purposeful innovation. So now let's talk a little perspective. Compared to the Submariner, the SD43 feels heavier, more serious, less of a luxury badge, more of a statement that you value engineering over hype. Compared to the Deep Sea, it's a bit more wearable day to day. Think of it as a middle ground between elegance and endurance. The Porsche 911 Turbo S of dive watches. Performance bred for extremes, refined enough for everyday wear and everyday life. If you're considering a Rolex Sea-Dweller SD43, it's not about showing off that you own a deep diving watch. It's about owning a piece of Rolex history that still feels relevant, balanced, and built to outlast trends. Every SD43 that comes through our hands is fully authenticated, pressure test, and serviced before it ever reaches the showcase, because with watches like these, trust matters as much as condition, arguably more. You can explore our listings through our store site in the links below. And even if you want an appraisal with your purchase, we can do that for you as well. And if you're enjoying learning the real stories behind Rolex, not just the hype, make sure you subscribe and like the video. We've got more collector grade insights coming, from investment pieces to legends that shaped horology. I'll catch you next time. Peace.